Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to create the eye-catching GOJO shake effect using Alight motion. This dynamic and stylish effect will elevate your animations and make your projects stand out. Grab your devices and let's dive right into it. Once this Thanks for watching our GOJO shake effect tutorial in Alight motion. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, happy editing.